Good morning students. Class 7, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. In the previous video, we have completed out exercise 8.2 up to question number 2. And in the previous video, discussed about proportions and continued proportions. Proportion, when two ratios are equal, they are said proportions. And for checking, we have to find out product of extreme and product of मीन. एक्सट्रीम और मीन अगर इनकी प्रोडक्ट्स इक्वल है देन दीज नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड इन प्रपोर्शंस. एंड वी आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट कंटिन्यूड प्रपोर्शंस. इफ थ्री क्वांटिटीज आर सच दैट विच सेटिस्फाई द कंडीशन, सपोज दीज आर थ्री क्वांटिटीज एंड वी सेटिस्फाई that ratio between A ratio B and B ratio C are equal, then these three quantities are called continued proportions. Now in question number 3, there are total 4 parts and in the each part we have to find out fourth proportions. It's mean here are given 3 quantities and we have to find out its fourth quantity such that these numbers are in proportions. So we suppose that fourth proportion is x. So 19 ratio 38 proportions 11 ratio x. And now find out value of x. We use the concept of proportions. It's mean product of extremes is equal to product of means. It's mean 19 multiply x is equal to 38 multiply 11. And now we transpose 19 from LHS to RHS. And the x is equal to 22. So the fourth proportion is 22. Similarly, we can try its third part. In the third part, we suppose its fourth proportion is x. So 36 ratio 92 proportions 45 ratio x. Now again use the concept product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 36 multiply x equal to 92 multiply 45. And now we transpose 36 from LHS to RHS. So the result 92 multiply 45 upon 36. Now for the calculation, 45 and 96 both are divisible by 9. 9 5 ja 45 and 9 4 ja 36. And 92 divisible by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So 23 multiplied by 5 and the value is 115. So fourth proportion is 115. Similarly, you can do its remaining parts. It's very simple. Just note down. Okay, students. In the exercise, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, 7, and question number 8. These 4 questions are same. In the question number 4, we have to find out first term. In the question number 5, we have to find out third term. In the question number 7, फाइंड द फोर्थ प्रपोर्शंस. हमें फोर्थ नंबर निकालना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट थर्ड प्रपोर्शंस. सो वी डिस्कस हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन ट्राई योरसेल्फ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वी सपोज दैट लेट थर्ड टर्म बी x. सो these 3 numbers are given and we put x at a third position. So these 4 numbers are in proportions. Because these numbers are in proportions, so 32 ratio 112 proportions x ratio 217. It's mean product of means is equal to product of extremes. So simply 112 multiplied by x is equal to 32 multiplied 217. And now using simple calculation we find out value of x. So x is equal to, we transpose 112 from LHS to RHS. 32 multiplied 217 upon 112. Firstly we cut these numbers are in, So 32 and 112 both are divisible by 4. 4 8 are 32, 4 4 2 are 8 and 4 3 are 32. 4 8 are 32. Now 28 and 8 both are divisible by 4. 4 2 are 8, 4 7 are 28 and 217 is divisible by 7. So 2 multiply 31, the value is 62. So the third term is 62. So we can say that 32 comma 112 comma 62 comma 217 are in proportion. Clear? Just note down. Okay, student, now discuss question number 6. In the question number 6, there are total 3 parts. In the first part, we have to show that 16, 84 and 441. These 3 numbers are in proportions. We know that for proportions, we have to require 4 numbers. But in this question, they are given 3 numbers. So we have to consider that 3 numbers are in continued proportions. And for the continued proportion, we have to repeat 84 again. So 16 ratio 84 proportions 84 ratio 441. We have to show that. हमें ये शो करना है कि ये कंडीशन पूरी है या नहीं. And for checking this, we have to find out product of extreme and product of mean. So firstly, find out product of means. It's mean 84 multiply 84 and their multiplication is 7056. Now we find out product of extremes. It means 16 multiply 441 and their multiply also 7056. So 16, 84 and 441 are in proportion. और हमें ये प्रूव करना था. In the remaining 2 parts, we have to find out value of x. We use the same concept. We just note down its second part. In the second part, we have to find out value of x and there are given 25 comma x comma x comma 49 are in proportion. So product of means and product of extremes are equal. So x multiply x is equal to 25 multiply 49. So x square is equal to 5 multiply 7 whole square. So simply x equal to 35. And in the third part, they are given x 36 comma 27. X comma 36 comma 27. So firstly we note down x ratio 36 proportions 36 ratio 27. And we use same concept, product of extreme equal to product of mean. It's mean x multiply 27 is equal to 36 multiply 36. So x is equal to 36 multiply 36 upon 27. And after calculation we can find out value of x. 36 and 27 both are divisible by 9. 9 4 are 36, 9 3 are 36, 27 and 12. So x is equal to 48. So I show question number 6 is clear. Just note down. Okay, now discuss ninth question. In the ninth question, we have to find out its mean proportions between 21 and 84. 21 and 84 इन दोनों के बीच में हमें mean proportion find out करना है. So we suppose that mean proportional is x. Let mean proportions be x. So 21 ratio x proportional x ratio 84. And now use the concept again. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. So x square equal to 21 multiply 84. X equal to in the under root 21 multiply 84. For find out value of square root, we factorize 7, we multiply 3, 84, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. 7 multiply 7, 2 multiply 2 and 3 multiply 3. So 7 multiply 2 multiply 3, it's mean 42. So the mean proportion is 42. I sure question number 9 is clear. Just note down and remaining parts in homework. So you have to complete exercise 8.2 up to question number 9. Thank you very much.